DJM TV.
Country people, una welcome to una ogbonge program, The Analytical, for DJM TV. Remember, say The Analytical na new program wey be say we just carry come now for with TV station DJM TV to follow up Street Zoom anytime we waka. Remember, say last time so we enter street go get country people mind concerning two matter, and these two matter come be matter when they hot. These two matter go concern the one be say the House of Representative members, those honorable members for Abuja, when be say they come invite President Muhammadu Buhari sake of say the insecurity wahala when e dey obodo Nigeria. We come still chook mouth for the matter when go concern the policeman when he buy keke man sake of say no give am 100 naira for Port Harcourt. And so we can't get country people mind. Now we want begin chook mouth, chook belly, chook everything to look inside the matter as they take give their mind concerning the two matter when we carry enter street that day. Now the first person when we say we meet that day can be Mr. Odion Orupe. Now Mr. Odion tell us in mind, sake of say, he say belle no sweet am at all. Sake of say President Muhammadu Buhari nobody go answer the House of Rep members, the honorable members. He come talk say those persons when he dey for House of Rep, not be say they carry themselves enter there. Now we country people, na him vote for them, carry them go put for them. So therefore, they be our representative. He come talk say for the reason why be say President Muhammadu Buhari nobody go answer them. Now we country people for Naija no gree answer. He come talk say for the one go concern the NSAS and sake of say the kpai when that policeman take kpai that keke rider for Port Harcourt. He said the first NSAS protest na just the beginning. He said the one wey go shele again go be say if the House of Representative members no gree use the constitution as suppose now, say na house to house country people go begin visit them. Make una hear am with una own ear and see am with una own eyes as he talk am. What's the video?
Yes, good evening, you are welcome.
I beg you, give us your name.
My name is Prince Odion Orupe, MD Wamo Motors. I'm a businessman. You asked a very intelligent question as a good reporter. Nigeria, they are what guide us in this nation, constitution. If the president disregard the calling of the House of Rep member, let them invoke the constitution and let them throw it in debate. Then they will not see the acts and the force of Nigerians. Because if they do not invoke the constitution, Buhari will still do more than this. They just invite you. But if you are going there to present budget, you will go there. They are calling you to come and tell them how far. What have you been doing since you take over power from Jonathan? You refuse to go, and this is the first time. Let them now, they should go to the end, each of their room and their home. Let them invoke the constitution. Then you will not see the reaction of Nigerians. Because they do not invoke the constitution, similar things will continue to happen. Look at all the service chiefs. In a civilized world, all those service chiefs are supposed to resign. Killing every day, kidnapping every day. They are not doing anything. Millions of naira, billions of naira is voting into security. And Nigerians are not secure. Just a word of advice. Enough is enough for the while. God bless you, sir.
Oga, you talk about the House of Rep now invoking the constitution.
Yes.
In other words, make them do wetin they supposed to do.
Simple.
But na majority nine go fit carry out whatever they do. And the Presido party na be majority for the House of Rep. How that go come fit take get head?
Hello, the people that invite the president. Is it only the opposition party that invite the president?
No.
And that is the constitution.
You know, say they get sympathy based on say my party man.
Okay, if they get sympathy, because the president is APC, Nigerians will continue to die. Let them do their work while we vote them. There will be a time if they did not do their work now, there will be a time the masses will begin to visit them in their house. Let them do their work now. Okay. We all know our senators, we know our House of Rep, we know our local government chairman, we know the councillors, we know all of them. Let them do their work now. NSAS is just a small thing. The one that will happen is their doorstep. Let them do their work now.
Okay, you just talk about one thing now. The next question I want to ask you, NSAS protest. Now, some time ago, the NSAS protest part 1 happened, and part 2 they warm up. Just yesterday, yeah.
In Port Harcourt.
Yes, but policeman kill keke rider. How you see the kind thing when we say the people they fight, they cry against?
I just said it some time ago, not up to 2 minutes. I said, in a civilized world where we have law and order, all the service chiefs, because the citizens of the state are no more secure, they need to resign. Let them put people who have something else. You want to tell me that they are not young Nigerians who are intelligent as a police officer? They are not young Nigerians who are intelligent as a military man? They are not young Nigerians who are intelligent as DSS men? My brother, what are we talking here? I said the next one, if they do not do the right thing, they will meet them in their doorstep. God bless you.
God, thank you, sir, for the time to talk to us. We hope say next time we'll go see come meet you. You will still give us your mind.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Contribute. Show una don hear am, una don see am. For your mind, how you still see am? The way you take give your whole mind. Make you. Give us your mind. As you still reason am, the way you take talk so. For our social media platforms. Country people, the other person we can still meet that day as we enter street, give him name as Shola. This one can't talk so many things when we say it can't wake me to my bone marrow. First, he talk say the person when we dey call president for we country say na imposter. When we go ask her why he talk and say na imposter, he say everybody know. Say not be just in mouth, not be saying just talk am. Everybody know. Say that is why he no fit go answer. I mean President Buhari no fit go answer the House of Rep member sake of say they call am. He go still talk say for the NSAS matter when we dey talk about, say that one are just the beginning. Say them the youth dey come. Mostly as e be say President Muhammadu Buhari no fit come out come address them as youth. Not be allowed to go hear everything. Make we knack you the video. Make you hear am by yourself with your ear and make you see am by yourself with your eyes. I beg give country people the video, make them hear am by themselves.
Bros, well done.
Yeah.
I beg you go give us your name.
My name is Shola.
Fiskata Pidgino. Now, the House of Representatives for Abuja invite President Muhammadu Buhari make he come talk to them concerning the security wahala when they happen for our country Nigeria. He no gree go. How you see that move?
For me, me and also never get president. Na imposter we get. So na just photocopy we get for the country.
Photocopy? They need a photocopy person.
They photocopy now. You be like say you don't know. They photocopy. If you come at live, come talk to us with the youth about the NSAS process when we do office sense.
Okay.
So to me that one, we not get president. May they leave that one.
Now, what do you go advise the House of Rep members now to do? Second, say he no gree go honor their invitation.
To me, not to impeach her now.
Impeach?
What do you wait for? Not to impeach her now. Na normal thing now.
But if they impeach her now, you no think say go cause another katakata for we country?
Wetin you wan cause? Na they know wetin they dey. They know no be Buhari dey there. They know wetin. They know no be Buhari dey there.
If no be Buhari dey there, who come dey there?
Na imposter. Forget all those one. We know wetin they have for the country. Just that we the youth we are coming back.
Now some weeks back, youths for we country come out protest. NSAS na be the word went in their mouth. Yesterday here now, we dey hear say policeman kpai keke rider for Port Harcourt. Wetin how you see that kind move by the police despite the protest of before?
See wetin I see for there, the IG, all of them know wetin they dey do. Shey say this as wey dey talk so e never end.
Never end.
For where even the police brutality wey we fight for, e never still end. This country take us for joke. Make dem no worry, we dey come with full force. Port Harcourt na small.
Okay.
That na small. Police for this country, we dey come with full force.
But violence no good now. No time violence dey bring better thing.
Violence no
go peaceful.
Violence no good, we know that one. But look wetin the police dey do now. Who dey do the violence? Who dey do the police brutality? No be them. So my brother, wetin I just get to talk, we dey come. Okay. We will come out strong. We the youth will come out strong.
But peacefully.
Just now, it's peaceful protest. Before not be peaceful protest, we dey do before.
Okay.
They know wetin wan happen. Now they hijack our protest. All these politicians know wetin wan happen now. If they no hijack am by now, we don get better Nigeria. They know say if we come out, if they know say if we get one voice and one unity for this country, things will go well. Now the bad leaders won't get. And they don't want more see wetin we dey find. I mean they hijack the protest.
But those people when be say they come agree to come hijack am, they not be youth.
Now you dey talk am. All these youth, they not go school. If they go school, I wish they come out with first class results. They for no do those one. Youth when they not go school, at least 1,000 naira, 500 naira. It don't make sense now. Make the youth wise. We dey fight for them. We just know say we'll get better Nigeria. And wetin I feel to talk for that.
Thank you, my brother, for the
Country people, the other person wey be say we still meet, give him name as Isibo Idahosa. Now, he come talk say the way President Muhammadu Buhari not take go answer the call of the House of Rep members, the honorable House of Rep members, say him not like am. Say he misses wado dey inside this kind matter. Then for the NSAS matter, he come still talk say no, say the way the police people take handle or buy that keke rider, say not be the right way. He go even talk say for civilized country, when person do something when police suspect, say police go stop am, then if he wan drag, na to carry him hand go back, put handcuff, then once e be say don calm down, they come remove the handcuff, ask am question. But for Naija, say na the reverse na the case. He come say the reason why he feel say those kind things they come dey happen for Naija be say the police people for Naija no be say they no dey pay them well. Say na him cause am. Say person wey be say they no dey take care of am well, na so they dey behave. But that no mean say he come take side with the policeman wey go kpai that keke man o. He talk say the policeman wey kpai that keke man na very bad thing he do. Sake of say if he no see give am now, if he give am later, no be matter go see everything. Make we show you una the video. Abeg, make we give them the video. Make country people see.
For them to take get am, na be wetin dem dey do so. You no fit expect person say he go dey for morning till night. He no go see family till the next morning before he go see family. You no dey pay am well. So he go do wetin he go do to take get better money. But for that killing, person no give you. Me say he no get, you go let am go. Na so he reach. I no get, you go let am pass. Another day see day wey you go ask am, he go still use him mind say I no give you that day. Okay, make I still give you today. He never lead to that one wey be say he go take carry gun kill am. That one na the policeman is not well trained, number one. They need to discipline that man. He not even supposed to be police officer himself. He not even supposed to be police officer himself. That kind of person, you seize the rifle, you go dismiss am from for police. That one, because wetin make dem call you security na to protect the life of the citizen. Na make dem call you there, na make dem put you there. So for him not to do like that, he don dey against the rules be that. And secondly, wetin I go like make dem do, make Inspector General of Police IG policeman e dey very very wrong. I know say that NSAS protest na about police they talk about. Say make they increase their salary, because they no increase their salary, na make they do that thing. So they got act now so that make they put this in order for them.
okay.
That's so.
Now, one question before I go come out. President Muhammadu Buhari, House of Rep, invite am, he no gree go see them. How you see am?
They say if you cannot beat them, you join them.
Okay.
So since he no answer am, may he waka go there, may go meet am.
Okay.
May ask am question wey he wan ask am. Since he feel say him big pass the Senate House and the House of Rep, may dem waka go meet am.
Okay.
Na so he reach.
Some people say, sake of say you no gree go answer them, make them carry the constitution, wetin constitution talk, make them do am against am.
You know say e never happen for Nigeria constitution say dem don impeach president once.
Okay.
So dem never impeach president for Nigeria once and e no fit still happen.
Okay.
So since dem say if you dey pursue, I don't know how I wan take talk am, e dey say no fair who no fair you but since dem fair am now he no wan fair dem make dem fair am go house.
Okay.
You understand? Na so e reach.
You do well, my brother, for the time you talk to me. You do.
Country people, this person wey we still talk to concerning the two matter wey we carry come out that day when President Muhammadu Buhari no gree go see the House of Rep members sake of say they call am, and the policeman when he kpai that keke rider for Port Harcourt sake of 100 naira. Now he talk am say no be new thing for House of Rep members or even House of Senate to invite president. Say no be new thing. This will not be the first time. They don always dey invite them before, but this one be say President Muhammadu Buhari no gree go answer them. Say e be like say fire dey under the smoke. He go talk say for sake of say e no gree go, is either two things na involve. One, if e be say e get wetin the House of Rep members know when e be say President Muhammadu Buhari no wan make dem bring out, or na true say President Muhammadu Buhari no be the real President Muhammadu Buhari wey we dey see now. Then he go talk say the House of Rep members dem know wetin dem suppose to do sake of say we country Naija na constitution na we dey follow. Make I give una the video, make una watch am.
E don turn a major concern wey be say the thing come be like come put dey spread pass news.
Okay.
Concerning make president come make e come address issue. E mean say e get wetin dey under.
Okay.
No be normal thing wey e be say people suppose to really dey talk about.
Okay.
So there should be, I believe there should be a more to what we are saying than the way it's been said.
Okay.
So na so me I see am. Something dey that under wey be say dem want make this president really come talk, or dem wan really still know whether the president wey be say we all get for mind is still dey alive.
Okay.
So na wetin we experience and na wetin we feel na be that.
Okay.
Because dem no go call president maybe say dem don already tell am when to come. E go come be like say na talk of the day, meaning other things still dey under wey be say either the House of Rep members wan watch out for as in its own person, or is not capable anymore of defending himself while he comes to talk to them.
Okay.
That is it.
Now, as he no come now, how you still see am?
My brother, as he no come, e clear say na two things dey involved.
Okay, wetin be those two things for your mind?
Either one, our baba no be dey there. Two, is no more viable to handle this situation before these honourable members.
Okay. Remember say the AGF, all right, talk say that's Malami
yes.
San talk say the House of Rep no get power to invite the president in talk am. So how you still see that kind talk?
Hey, but wait o, if president wan give budget,
Okay.
na both the senate and the House of Reps,
Okay.
na dem dey come together, e go come pass law.
Okay.
Me, I no see anything really wrong if reps call president say come address issue.
Okay.
Abi dem dey wait make the senate and the reps call am together. Na another point
But the question wey me wan ask you.
because in as much as all of them they are honourable members.
Yes.
Okay, if he say the question no work, make him kukuma still advise the senate, or make the reps advise the senate, make dem come together
Okay.
in one house, make dem invite am.
Okay.
Na him be the issue.
Okay.
So as I talk, if something not dey that under,
Yeah.
this thing suppose not be point of a discussion or news.
Okay.
So na so I
Now, some people, when we don talk to since, talk say as e no go honour the invitation when they invite am, so I mean House of Rep, make dem use the constitution, wetin constitution talk, take handle the matter. How you see am?
my brother, na Nigeria we dey. E go hard. Benin dey use am make parables sound. The senators dey still dey hear this information.
Yes.
If they really want one body to make sure say this their cry, make president come, the senate they go still raise their own voice in line with reps, say okay, as e be now, make we come together, make president come, make e come address us. As easy as that. Na so I see am.
Okay. Now, my other question I want to ask, go concern the EndSARS protest when it shell for we country some time ago. Yesterday, we hear say one policeman, one keke rider, say no give am 100 naira. No be waiting the EndSARS protest suppose solve be that.
Brother, see man. Me if you come back from my brother, still go Lagos road, make you go see. Okay. You see, this nature of the way we used to do things, it don't to eat up our system. Okay. Despite the cry, the people wey die, people wey injure, community shut down, this happen, that happen. Okay. Now we hear president come out, he can't talk stories, he can't talk news. Sorry man, not say stories. But now the police people now, wait how far they don't go. So you see say most times we are very quick at making news on the air. We are quick at making call to the people that calm down. We are on this, we are on the top of the matter. Now the English way they always they use with that. Okay. But on top of the matter now we still dey so. You saw the police people wey be say cause wey they say they want revamp, they are still where they are. Na still the same thing they be. So my brother, the EndSARS matter, if you still look am, you continue. I feel maybe na the international body there na go come fit put effect on this EndSARS, because men looking at the one wey we first do before, as government come out, president come out, calm down. Okay, everywhere don calm down. The police people too, they go back to their normal routine. So how you say make we do am? And Nigeria na, if you no hustle for yourself, nobody. So I really understand the plight that if they want to go back to this EndSARS, as in the EndSARS protest, somebody go come take advantage to come hijack the process. If this can be done peacefully, as long as they want, let's see then if our government will cry out. Because say e come turn the other way round, now make nothing happen. But I believe it has continued over a long period of time, which the United Nations, I feel, will fit step in. That day reach, then I believe our government they will be proactive and they'll take the good step. And so,
one more question. President Muhammadu Buhari inside last week talk say he no dey against peaceful protest o.
Na so he talk.
But na the hijackers
wey dey under,
wey go come
dey under,
say that one. So how you see am?
Wetin our president talk na in short, I give am kudos. Okay. Na so. He know say these people they are Nigerians. They get the right to protest. Na their country. Okay. Na wetin no good na person dey protest for. I don't know that you dey feel me. So as e come be say he talk like that, in short, I give our baba hand. Okay. Na true. I talk am just now, make nobody hijack the process. You understand? If this protest lingers, I believe say the cry of the people go definitely go get answer. If not because that last protest they hijack am, na make I feel nothing can come out. Because even that period, now everybody come like, oh, make this thing finish, make this thing finish. Might go back to my hustle. You understand? Okay, we don't make our cry a little bit to the government. Most see wetin government go do. But in as much as say hijackers can't take over the issue, the company like say nothing can happen. You understand? So me I feel wetin our baba talk na the best. So make them do wetin dey their mind peacefully, make they carry out their protest without any, you understand,
This next responder, when we still meet that day to give us a mind concerning the matter we carry come, talk say President Muhammadu Buhari to reject the call of House of Rep members means say no get country people for mind again. Say to say you get country people for mind, if for wrong go answer them, and anything when e be say him get for mind concerning matter when they call am for, he go tell them, he go explain am to Nigerians. Na so him talk. Then go say for the one when be say policeman go buy that keke rider sake of 100 naira, see that one pay na well. Say come on 100 naira you take life as a policeman. You ain't supposed to dey protect country people. You can dey take life because of 100 naira. So him come talk say, na me say police people no fit change because of 100 naira. They no fit change. Make una hear the video by yourself.
My name is Osayende Osagie Emmanuel.
Okay. Now we want to ask you some question concerning matter wey be say just dey shele for we country Naija. Now the House of Rep for Abuja invite President Muhammadu Buhari sake of say the security matter wey dey go on for we country Naija, but he no come go. How you see am?
Well, I will condemn that in like say he no really know what they do.
Okay.
How can the House of Rep they call you say you can't answer question? The reason why they call you is just because of society matters. Okay. Come and address this issue. The next thing you say that the House of Rep they don't have right to call him to come and answer questions. Meaning you don't even care for the masses.
Okay.
Now only your owner you know. So I condemn that and say e no good.
Okay.
Because assuming Buhari really get our word for mind, if I go answer they make it tell them wetin dey mind.
Okay.
And how I want to tackle the insecurity or with any question wey they answer am, at least if I get that mind go there say okay this is what I will do, this is the measure that I put in place, make dem no worry say things go better. Okay. But him feeling reluctant no go. He no get we the citizens for mind at all.
Okay. Now considering some people don dey talk say make the House of Rep make dem use the constitution, alright?
Yes.
Make dem take
Impeach am.
use am.
Okay.
The way the power be for there, make dem use am against am. How you still see that kind of call?
That kind of thing e go hard. Okay. E go hard because.
Why you talk say go hard?
Because e go through so many processes. Okay. House of Rep. You know say now we are in a country of democracy.
Okay.
And impeaching a leader in terms of democracy is not that easy. Because it will follow so many due processes.
Okay.
Because first of all you have to pass through the Senate. From the Senate, which is the higher house. From the higher house you go to the lower house, which is that of Rep. So e no go fit dey possible like that. So wetin we go dey be say make we just leave am make the 4 years complete. By the time the 4 years complete e go start to do your comot. Then Nigeria head go come begin sit down think well. Okay. Then to select better leaders with our PVC. Okay. Say you reach.
Okay. Now EndSARS protest waka around we country some weeks back. Just yesterday now we come see here say policeman kpai Okada rider for Port Harcourt sake of 100 naira. How you still see that kind of one?
Well, that one na wicked thing o.
Okay.
Because I still believe say na this same issue na it graduate to big issue.
Okay.
You understand? This same thing, so that to tell you that the police they are never ready to change.
Okay.
The police they are never ready to change. That they still value that 100 naira.
Okay.
You know, normally they were talking about reinforcing the police, that they should reform region. But the way I'm seeing them now, it be like say go up that 100 naira. It be like say they can't even worst. Okay. Because how can the policeman kill
this other man when he be say he still give us in mind sake of the matter we carry come, him name na be Comrade Ogbonaya. Now he come talk say President Muhammadu Buhari no do well at all when he sake of say he no gree go answer the call of the House of Rep members. He come talk say by the time he be say people vote for President Muhammadu Buhari and make am president, na that day he suppose understand say he be servant of the people. Therefore, anytime when they call am, he suppose to dey answer them. He go still put mouth again for the impeachment matter. He come talk say impeaching President Muhammadu Buhari not being go be the solution. And inside there for the EndSARS matter, he come talk say for that one when be say that man just that policeman go buy that keke rider sake of 100 naira. Say na because say na the wrong people, na him country people from the country people na they select to become police people. He come talk say the right place to get police people when be say yes, you go know say yes na policeman be this. Na to for the Nigerian police to go back to the universities, go select people when he read psychology or sociology or criminology or anything wey concern G, to make sure say yes they get them to come dey what do the work, and they go come give them ogbonge training. So when by that time when they see country people to talk to them as police officers, e go easy. They no go just dey do kpai here and there all over we country. Make we give una the video make una hear am.
It's the citizen of the country. If the House of Rep summon the president to come give account wetin dey happen for the country, e no gree come, e no make sense. Okay. I no go fit lie you because even this country, even this life wey we dey so, small pikin dey learn from big person dey learn from small pikin. You understand me? So even the House of Rep na constituted authority.
Okay.
So for president not to obey, e no dey show good example to even the upcoming leaders.
Okay.
You know, who fit get the opportunity to come become president of this country. E no make sense. No be banana republic be this.
Okay.
Everything wey we dey do for this, even as you well now be wey be press now, so this way you come dey do now, so na to also bring am to the awareness of the people, so that dem go also still dey conscious. So wetin House of Reps also dey do now, say okay, oga Presido, come, why insecurity be like this? Why e be like? Because those House of Rep people, e be like say na dem dey represent me and you wey dey here, so because you know they say this one will say I represent the good people of so and so constituency, I represent the good people of so and so constituency. So those constituency, na dem be our mouthpiece for that place.
Okay.
So as they call President Muhammadu say, come tell us why insecurity for the country no dey okay. Na the citizen of the country na dey call the president.
Okay.
And the president too suppose know say na servant him be. Na we vote am for there.
Okay.
So na him, everybody cannot be president at once. So the wetin be say e do, e no make sense. Me myself, I no really like am.
Okay.
You understand?
Now some people talk now say sake of say e no gree go honour the House of Rep members sake of say they invite am, and you just come now say na the House of Rep members so na be the people of Nigeria sake of say they represent the people of Nigeria.
Yes, na them.
So some people dey talk now say make dem use the constitution. When the constitution talk when Presido go do something like that, how you see am?
You know say we no dey wan the level wey we say I don also attain for this country in terms of youth and student movement. I no dey wan talk things wey be say I know, as in wey be say I no dey sure of,
Okay.
because I no follow as wey be say I get anything I talk now for here now, una hear am,
Okay.
people fit carry am say see wetin I talk.
Okay.
So for now I remember wetin constitution talk about House of Rep inviting the president of the country.
Okay.
It is right, it is constitutional.
Okay.
But I no fit lay hands now on that particular
That
session.
section.
Even as I dey talk to you, so I don read am today.
Okay.
I don read that thing today as me and you dey talk. So
Okay.
the session
Okay.
wey we say the House of Rep, they are
They get
at
power.
liberty, they get that power to invite the president. Even this man don also talk am, this big lawyer for the country,
Okay.
Mike Ozekeme, Sam. He still talk am, he say Malami is wrong, that the House of Rep constitutionally have right to invite the president if any issue at all dey go on for the country.
Okay.
Because if you watch, not just because say this thing na for the sake and betterment of all of us. If something dey happen, bad thing dey happen, and these people decide to keep quiet, even now we go first accuse them, insult them, say why they no wan, they suppose why they no wan put mouth. So as they put mouth to also call the president, what are you doing? Why this one happen? Why this one dey happen? So president go still talk. If na where be say they go still give am advice, or they give am suggestion, or they say okay, don't you no think say maybe this your security adviser, or this your security oga for this force, or this security oga for this other force, you know, sure maybe they no too dey solid, you know, sure say if I remove this one, change am, all those things like that. Once they talk on the round table, so matter go dey okay.
Make I for let you dey go.
Yeah.
Now this question go concern NSAS protest when e shele for we country some weeks back.
Yeah.
Yesterday we hear say for Port Harcourt one policeman go kpai keke rider sake of say no give am 100 naira, and na wetin NSAS protest fight against, na be that. How you see am?
Honestly, the thing tire me when I hear the story. Even when I watch the video, it tire me. You see, this is our country. Make I just tell you the truth. Nigeria na blessed country.
Yeah.
You understand? Nigerian police force need reformation.
Okay.
Not be say they no get better people for the police force, but people like that, they know the way go shoot that kind of keke person. Now we be say they just dey come out from fire. No, you don't shoot person because of 100. Those kind of people, we don't need them for police force.
Okay.
We don't need all those kind of people for police force, because you see another thing wey make people dey also wey be say police come be like say na yeye things they dey do. Now because say job no dey
Okay.
the country, so people wey go dey apply for the job, if they say they need 1,000 people, for example, you see say 50,000 go employ for job wey be say 1,000 people need. You understand? And that 1,000 maybe some get influence from oga at the top wey we say they say okay, put am na my boy, put am na my pikin, put am na my brother, younger sister, friend. So like that, once all those people don enter, you go see am say because e no be their police, you see am because e no be their work, they use am dey do anyhow. Make I tell you something, police work na calling.
Okay.
Police work suppose be calling. Yes, police work suppose be calling. No be say job no dey, you go dey do police. Because if you dey do
as a way of surviving.
Yes, as a way of surviving. So all those ones wey dey do as a way of surviving, na then they do all these rubbish things wey dey happen. If I tell you the one wey be say e happen for, if I see me and you take stand here, so you get wetin happen before the EndSARS though, for front of this total filling station here. So if you see the way policemen dey embarrass, I don't know whether na taxi person or they just come down like this. They point the gun like this, as they just come out like this. If you see the driver, just jump come down like this, like that for ground, they beg, they roll for ground, they beg. No, now bring them on board. Interview them, go read all those kind of course. You go know say the idea. Do you understand? So from there, you begin groom them. They begin to go security training and all that. If you put all those kind of people for police force, my brother, the police work go dey very smooth. If you even see police there, you go even dey proud say yes, these people are police. But when if both ones we know go school, get the way you go dey reason, the way you go dey see them, all the way they call rank and files. All those rank and because now then they really they misbehave. You understand? So those rank and files, if they want bring them on board, don't say they go just go they do and say they need 1,000, 10,000 apply, but just they do and based on recommendation, based on influence. No. Engage these people, make you know whether genuinely they want really do police work or not, because say work no day. Say now just say now this one a job opportunity, make I enter. Now wetin dey kill a lot of, that make police force not the standard the way it is. Police work for outside country, for example now China, for example, if police wey dey in charge of arresting immigrants see people with two persons wey dey fight, e no go come arrest una or come dey beat una. No, they go simply the ones police wey dey that department wey dey in charge of something like that, now go come handle that matter. No be the one wey dey find immigrants. Neither the one wey be say he go handle such case, go also see immigrants. He go come begin carrying immigrants. No, e no dey happen like that. It's so pathetic, e no good. You understand? So our Nigerian police workforce, our government, they need to begin to look into this thing. Not be just to change the name alone. Especially our graduates, you say they study those courses where they related to security. They see 1st to 10 students graduating, best graduation. Bring them on board, engage them. They even what they call even rank and file self. Both the ones will be say they know all those ones will be all those fallout. All those fallout all those people will fall out. Yeah. You know, say the race. You know, say some people no go graduate. But the ones will fall out, go trace them, bring them, make them come do rank and files. Okay.
Okay, you do well for the time we just talk with us.
Country people, now here we want draw the curtain for we Ogbonge program, the analytical. Remember, say the analytical, now that program when we take the follow up street zoom for DJM TV to take analyze and look, choose eyeglass, microscope, take look the matter when it be say country people give their mind on. Until next time when we go come on our way again, we want them now say, una do well for all the time when visit and don't take they watch us all this while, and say the matter no see end here. You too when they watch me so, you get right to also put your own mind, sake of say you fit knack am for any of our social media handles. All na DJM TV. Until next time when we go still come again with this Ogbonge program, The Analytical, my name remain Stanley Okocha for DJM TV.